Hello students, welcome to Video Guru. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಾಡಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ಇಲಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್, ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಮಾರ್ಫಿಸಮ್. Define object-oriented programming and list its advantages and core features. Explain the concept of polymorphism and its importance in object-oriented programming. What is an abstract class in C++? Justify its use with an example. Explain the syntax and structure of a basic C++ program using an example. Demonstrate how to declare a class in C++ and provide a relevant example. Clarify the terms objects, classes, methods, abstractions, and encapsulation with examples. Next, model 2. Define tokens in C++. Discuss different token types with suitable code examples. Compare and contrast structures and unions in C++ with examples. Explain the functionality of the scope resolution operators using a sample C++ program. Write a C++ function to swap two variables using the call by reference approach. Define and demonstrate inline functions in C++ with a sample code. Describe various operators in C++ with suitable examples. Write a simple program illustrating the concept and use of inline functions. What is inheritance? Describe various types of inheritance in C++ with examples. Next, model 3. Discuss the working of parameterized constructors and copy constructors in C++. What is constructor in C++? How it is invoked? Provide a relevant example. Explain the process and role of destructors in C++ programs. Describe how polymorphism is implemented in C++ during compile time and runtime with examples. Write a program to demonstrate student data management using single inheritance. Develop a C++ program that demonstrates multi-level inheritance. Provide a brief explanation and code sample of multi-level inheritance in C++. Outline the concept and usage of destructors along with their syntax and example. Next, model 4. Draw and explain the C++ stream class hierarchy with proper labeling. Write a program in C++ to create and write into a text file, check its existence and then read content from it. Explain the usage of syntax of open, close, read and write functions for handling text files in C++. Describe the different modes used to open files in C++ with examples. What are file streams? Explain if stream and off stream classes for file input-output operations. Explain how binary file read and write operations are performed in C++. Write notes on input and output stream operations in file handling. Create a C++ program to create a text file, write text and read it back. Next, model 5, last model. Define exception handling in C++. Explain its mechanism using try, catch and throw. What are class type extensions in C++? Demonstrate how to catch and rethrow them. Develop a function that raises a divide by 0 exception and use a catch block to handle it. Illustrate the working of try, catch and throw with a sample C++ program. Describe the different blocks involved in exception handling in C++. Explain the purpose and usage of catch all handlers with a suitable example. Write a program that uses exception handling to catch an array index out of bound error. Differentiate between throwing and catching mechanisms in exception handling. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, 5 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.